Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today my brother is with me. We got a present for our birthday from our uncle. It is Infento. They're the first to make an educational kit for kids. There are 55 rides in this kit, and we built the hot rod. It is an electric ride, and it comes in a Legend kit, which has 975 parts. And it is possible to build 55 different rides, but we built the hot rod. The kit is for people that are 0 to 14 ages old, so it is perfect for my brother and me. The great part of the kit is that it comes with an electric battery which can run for an hour. Now we're going outside for a lot of rides. And my brother will be driving with me in the 9-bot go-kart. Let's start and hope that we don't use the entire battery. The only reason I took the 9-bot go-kart is because it's faster, and my brother took the Infento hot rod. So now we're gonna race. 3, 2, 1, go! So the 9-bot go-kart was faster than the Infento hot rod. So now we're gonna go in between these cones to see who's faster than.
3, 2, 1, go!
As you've seen in the video, the 9-bot is better than the Infento, and here are just 3 things that I like and don't like about the Infento. 3 things I don't like is this, which kind of hurts my leg when I try to put it here. Number 2 is this thing. It falls apart very easily. I just don't like the place they put it in, and that's like this. I would be fine if, it's tilted yeah, when you tilt it like that, it just falls off. But if you could tilt it like this, then I'd be kind of fine with it. Number 3 is the seat, the back of the seat. It's kind of too short, and when I lay back, it hurts my back. And the 3 things that I like about this is it's electric power, so you can just drive it like that. Number 2 is it has big wheels, so yeah, it's kind of easy to drive over anything. And number 3, it's kind of easy to drive. You can just basically anyone can drive this. You just, if you tilt it to the right, it goes to the right. Tilt it to the left, it goes left. And it's kind of like a motorcycle. If you hold this back, then it starts driving. And if you click this red button here, then it goes in reverse. If you click it again, it goes normally. When we were filming this, this was already built, so now let's go build it.